Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preparing the device. Make sure the Redmi Note 9 is awake and charged, then press and hold the power button to open the power menu. Once the menu appears, check the screen corners for the Safe Mode label. This tells you the system booted with third-party apps disabled. Make sure to remember which apps you installed recently, because those can trigger the mode. Now be ready to take the single-step restart that usually clears Safe Mode. Once done, the quickest fix is to tap Restart in the power menu and let the phone boot normally. Safe Mode commonly clears on a reboot. If the device returns to Safe Mode after restart, make sure to uninstall any apps you added just before the issue, because they may crash at startup and force the mode. Also inspect the volume and power buttons for debris or a stuck state. Hardware input held during boot can trigger Safe Mode. After removing apps, reboot again to verify. To complete the process, make sure the phone boots normally after your restart and app removals. If it does not, clear the cache partition from recovery mode or install any pending MIUI updates, which can resolve system-level faults. If Safe Mode still persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure to inspect and, if needed, repair sticky or damaged physical buttons. This is a common hardware cause. If unresolved, take the device to an authorized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.